Hi there, in this video I'm going to explain you something about the SEO and the AI search in Zemers.com. So in Zemers, we already have the SEO, AEO, and GEO automatically done for you. So you don't have to do basically anything. Here is how it works. Go to Settings, and here have the SEO option. Now, that's pretty much it. You see here is your sitemap. This is my sitemap from the creator. You can copy this sitemap and add it to your Google Search Console. You can verify the ownership for this Google Search Console. And if I go and copy this and open in a new tab, you can see that this is my sitemap, that it's already made for Google and search engines. And once you add it to your Google Search Console, your Zemers creator account will be automatically connected to Google Search Console. And every time you create a blog article, a page, a product in Zemers, it will be automatically discovered by all AIs and by everybody who is searching on Google, on Bing, and any other search engine. The SEO is very complicated and technical. All you need to do is to create your content, and Zemers handles anything for you.